Welcome to qnawire.
So we're looking at plastic wrap. A 25-foot roll should have a true mean, mu, of 25.2 foot per roll, with a standard deviation, sigma, of 0.4. A consumer group wants to actually test this. They take a sample of size 30. In part A, we assume the manufacturer claim is true, so the population mean really is 25.2. What would we see in the sampling distribution? So I'm going to refer to the central limit theorem, which states that as sample size increases, sample means become more and more normally distributed compared to the population. If n is at least 30, you treat them as approximately normal. So if we took every sample of size 30, took the means, plotted them out, we'd get something approximately normal. So that's what they're looking for. Approximately normal. The mean of the sample means is the same as the population mean. The sampling standard deviation of the sampling distribution, which we also call the standard error, is sigma over root n. So 0.4 over root 30. Part B. Using this sampling distribution, what's the probability the sample mean is less than 25? So that's below the mean. Less than would be the area to the left. Now to find that, you need something with the normal distribution built into it. I'm going to use my TI-84 calculator with the normal CDF function. It has 4 inputs: lower bound, upper bound, mean, standard deviation. 25 is my upper bound. For the lower bound of the normal distribution, never touches the x-axis, so the lower bound should really be minus infinity. Doesn't really make sense for a length, but that's the normal distribution. And my calculator doesn't have that button, so I put minus 10 to the 99. Up to 25 with our mean and standard error. The output is 0.003124 decimal places. Part C. The sample mean is actually 24.9. What's the probability of that happening? So I'm just going to replace this with 24.9 to get the probability of something this low if the manufacturer claim is true. And that is 0.0000225 decimal places. Okay, so what do I think about the claim? Well, if the claim is true, the probability of this happening is tiny. So I think the claim is false. I reject the manufacturer's claim. Reject the manufacturer's claim. We think that the population mean is not what they claim it is.